We have been looking into such common marketing mistakes as not knowing your results, not investing in SEO and content, not running advertising campaigns, and ignoring your social media. Today, we're going to discuss another fatal mistake: neglecting your website. Your website is the face of your business. If it doesn't give a good first impression, no one will want to revisit it. Since marketing's primary goal is to bring people to your site, its quality is responsible for the results of all of your marketing efforts, including SEO and Google Ads. If you see that users leave your site shortly after opening it, you have only a few sales, maybe it means you need to improve your website to attract more leads. Here are a few important questions you need to ask yourself. Is your site fast? If your website visitors have to wait 3 seconds before the page loads, don't be surprised when they leave without even checking out what you have to offer. Does your site look good on mobile? If your website isn't mobile friendly, then you might be losing 44.7% of the sales from mobile devices. When was the last time you updated your website? If you don't keep up with the latest industry news, don't publish new content, and don't maintain your site's design feeling fresh and clean, you might be losing a lot of money. Do you have testimonials on your site? If you want to gain trust in the eyes of Google and your prospects, you should include as many testimonials as you can on your website. How do you generate leads from your website? If you want your potential customers to take action, you need to have a way to gather emails from potential customers to make them realize your product or service is the solution to their problem. Do the answers to these questions satisfy you? If no, it's time for a change in your marketing strategy. Now you are aware of the 5 most common marketing mistakes, such as not knowing your results, not investing in SEO and content, not running advertising campaigns because the budget is small, ignoring social media, and neglecting your website. So you better try to avoid them as much as possible. If you missed our previous videos, you can find the links below or check out this playlist. Also, feel free to go ahead and download our free marketing audit right now. Just click the link in the description and get to know whether you're doing your marketing right. And if you're ready to boost your business, don't hesitate to contact us to discuss your marketing strategy and discover how we can help improve your business online. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.